Okay, so hello guys. So now I am going to show you this KORS backpack. It's called Jaycee Large Backpack from KORS, and I have them in 3 different colors. So here I have the Grapefruit multi, and then I also have the brown and the vanilla color. The sizes and the style are exactly the same, the compartments and everything, but they're just different in colors. So here I'll show you the Grapefruit multi. Okay, so this is a really large backpack. It's called Jaycee Backpack. So the regular price of this is $628 US. So this is the color Grapefruit multi. Okay, it has 2 big compartments. If you can see, there are 2 zippers in here, and all of the hardware are in gold tone. Here is the price tag, $628 US, and then this is a really spacious inside, and I would say this is a great backpack to have when you are traveling. This would be a great backpack to use. So here at the back it has this open pocket here, and then in this side it has this pocket. It has this pocket with a zipper there, and it is actually really deep. See that? And here is the care card. Okay, and then there is another pocket here. This one here, it is really wide. This is really wide. Deep. And there is another compartment here, main compartment here on this side, the second zipper. Okay, so you can see that is a really big backpack, and you can actually use this for your iPad, and even probably a 14-inch laptop would fit in here. See that? And clothes and all kind of stuff that you wanted to bring with you when you are traveling. This would be a perfect backpack to have. So I'll show you. So here is that is the first main compartment. It is really deep and wide, and here is the second one with 3 pockets, one open, one here, and then the second one with the zipper, and the third one is the wide open pocket as well. So there, and you can see that is also really deep. And here in front it has this very functional pocket where here, where you can use this for like your wallets, your passport, like that kind of stuff. You can put it here, so it would be accessible for you. So there is like an extension here in its fabric material, and the lining, you can see there is like a light brown fabric lining, and same as in this is two compartments. The lining is a fabric lining, kind of a light brown with the mica KORS written on it. Okay, so at the back, here is the back. That's the back, and here is the strap, and the strap is actually adjustable, so you can just hook the strap in here and then you can adjust based on your heights. See that it is adjustable. Okay, so this is the by the way, I forgot to mention that this backpack has a kind of a it has a serial number, and if you can see at the back, it has the QR code and the serial number. So just so you know. Okay. It is actually lightweight for its size. For the size, it looks really big, but it is lightweight than the looks. So there. So it also had this kind of like a design. See that it is kind of like belt design. It's cute. And then also in this side. So that is the front, that's the side, the back, the other side, and the bottom. So here is the strap. Okay. So we'll try to put the strap on. So we will see, I'll show you how big it is to wear. I like this style and the design, and the color combination is actually really modern looking. Okay, so now I will just show you this later. So for now, I am going to show you the other colors, the two colors that I have here, just to give you an idea how it looks in person. Okay, so this is the brown, color brown, okay? The front, the back, and then the front, the side, and the other side, and the bottom, okay? So, exactly the same on the Grapefruit multi, but it is color brown. Show it to you so you have an idea how it looks like with these three different colors. So this is the vanilla. It's kind of like white and a brown combination. So that is the side, the front, the other side, the bottom, and there is the back. There. So like I said, these backpacks have serial code and the QR code in the inside. is the leather. That is the the handle. Okay. Color like orange, but they call it, I would say, I don't know, it's called Grapefruit necktie. And this is also orangey. And then, okay, so now I am going to show you. I'll try to fit this, and so you have an idea how big it is, because it is really big backpack for large.